For homeowners in Mesa, creating a peaceful indoor environment can sometimes be a challenge. Whether it's traffic noise, neighborhood activity, or general outdoor sounds, unwanted noise can affect comfort and relaxation at home. One often overlooked solution is upgrading to replacement doors. Beyond improving appearance and energy efficiency, modern replacement doors play a significant role in reducing noise and creating a quieter living space. One of the main reasons replacement doors improve noise control is their construction. Older doors, especially those that are hollow or poorly insulated, do little to block sound. Over time, gaps, worn seals, and thin materials allow noise to pass through easily. In contrast, modern replacement doors are built with solid cores and multiple layers designed to absorb and block sound waves. This added density makes it harder for outside noise to enter your home. Proper sealing is another critical factor. Even the smallest gaps around a door can allow sound to travel inside. Replacement doors are designed with high-quality weather stripping and tight-fitting frames that eliminate these gaps. When installed correctly, they create a secure seal that not only improves energy efficiency but also significantly reduces noise infiltration. In Mesa homes, where dust and heat are also concerns, this tight seal provides multiple benefits at once. The materials used in replacement doors also contribute to better sound insulation. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, are known for their durability and density. These materials naturally block more sound than traditional wood or hollow core options. Many modern doors also include insulated cores, which further enhance their ability to reduce noise. This combination of strong materials and insulation creates a more effective barrier between your home and the outside environment. Another benefit of replacement doors is how they help stabilize indoor acoustics. When outside noise is minimized, your home feels calmer and more comfortable. This is especially important in living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices, where a quiet environment is essential for relaxation, sleep, or productivity. In Mesa, where outdoor activity can be constant, this improvement in sound control can make a noticeable difference in daily life. Door design also plays a role in noise reduction. Solid panel doors, for instance, tend to block more sound than doors with large glass inserts. However, even doors with glass can be designed for better performance by using double pane or laminated glass. These options help reduce sound transmission while still allowing natural light to enter. Homeowners can choose designs that balance style with functionality based on their needs. Installation quality is just as important as the door itself. A high-performance door will not deliver its full benefits if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the door is properly aligned, sealed, and secured within the frame. This prevents gaps and ensures consistent performance over time. In many cases, noise issues are not caused by the door itself but by improper installation, making this step essential. Replacement doors can also help reduce vibration-related noise. Older doors may rattle or shift when exposed to wind or pressure changes, creating additional sound disturbances. Modern doors are built with stronger frames and hardware, reducing movement and ensuring a quieter operation. Another advantage is the long-term reliability of replacement doors. As materials age, they can lose their ability to block sound effectively. Upgrading to a new door ensures consistent performance without the gradual decline that comes with older components. This durability means homeowners can enjoy improved noise control for years to come. In addition to functional benefits, quieter indoor spaces contribute to overall well-being. Reduced noise levels can improve sleep quality, lower stress, and create a more enjoyable home environment. For families, this can make a significant difference in daily comfort and quality of life. Finally, replacement doors add value to your home. Features like noise reduction, energy efficiency, and durability are attractive to potential buyers. In Mesa's competitive housing market, these upgrades can help your property stand out. In the end, replacement doors improve noise control in Mesa homes by combining solid construction, effective sealing, and modern materials. They create a quieter, more comfortable environment while offering additional benefits like energy efficiency and durability. For homeowners looking to reduce outside noise and enhance their living space, upgrading to a high-quality replacement door is a practical and worthwhile investment.